Hello, children. Let's meet teacher Stephen again. Today, we are continuing our lessons for shapes. Are you ready to learn? All right, today is April 6, 2021. And be cautious about your hygiene, all right? Always wear a mask and stay at home. Now, let's learn about shapes. Today, we are talking about square shapes, right? Let's have a look at this. You will see some here, across, and things, something like this, but you will know what it is. All right. Now I'm taking out and let's see. Is this one a square shape? Is it? Is this called a square? How about this one? Is this called a square? And this one, is this a square? Or this is a square? Can you tell me which one a square is? Now let's start from the first one. It looks like an egg. Is it called a square? No, this is not a square. This is like an oval, not even a circle, right? This is look like an egg, so it's like an oval. How about the second one here? Is it a square? Oh, sorry. This is not a square. It is called a what? A triangle. Right. How about this? This one looks like a square. Is it a square? Not exactly a square yet, because here, the angle here is not right, it's not the same. So it has another curved line. So it's not a square yet. It's not a complete square. How about the last one? Oh yeah, this is a square. Good job. So a square look like this. See? It's like square. Like a what? Look at this, a robot. Is it a square robot? Yes, it is. It's a square robot. Can you count how many squares are there? Wow, I see a big square here on his face. You see that? A big square here, see? So we have one square, two squares. His hand also square. Three squares. Wow, his legs also square. And another one here. We have some small here. I can see here the inside. Can you see that? Square and square and square. Wow, his face, his nose, his eyes, his hands, and his feet are all squares. Wow. Good. You can find all these squares. Now, have a look at these windows. Can you count the number of squares with me? We have one square, two squares, three squares, and four squares. So these window frames has four squares and another big one here over here, right? Good. Now let's do something. It says count and color. Can you guys repeat after me? Count and color. Good. What do we count? We have the number here. What number is this? Good. Number one. How about this one? Yeah, correct. Number two. And the next one is number three. Good. Count again. 1, 2, 3. So we have three numbers here. We say count one. It means we color. How many shapes should we color? Can you again, please? How many square can we color? Good. We count. The number is 1. So we count 1. Good. So we color 1. Let's color it. Wow, let's color it. What color is this? Orange. It's a bit orange, right? Orange and yellow. It's kind of. So is it all? Can we color one more? No, we have only one here. So we color 1. Good job. How about next number? The next number is number 2. So how many squares should we color? We have number 2 here. So let's count with me. 1, 2. Good job. Then we color this 2. 1, 2. Done. Good. Next, what number is this? Okay, it's number 3. You are right. So, if we see number 3, how many squares should we color? Good job. We color 3 squares. Let's count a square with me. One square, 2 squares, and 3 squares. Let's color. 1, 2, 3. I see. So we color 3 squares according to number 3. Good job. Now, let's color the square shapes only. All right, let's find. The first one, is this called a square? Is it really a square here? Oh yeah, correct. This is a square. Then what should we do? It says color. Yeah, it says color here. Good. So let's color more purple. How about next one? Is it a square? Oh no, it's not a square. We cannot color this then. How about this one? Is it a square? It looks alike. Yeah, it is a square. Good. So what do we do? Again, what do we do? If you see a square, you color this one. So you color the square. Good. How about this one? Is it a square? No, not again. This is not a square. So we don't color. How about this one? Is it a square? It's a square. Then we color. Good. Next, is this a square too? Yeah, it's a square. Let's color. How about this one? Is it a square? No. Let's find more square, right? You can find by your own. Okay, now let's open your worksheets. Go to something about square on day 4. It's day 4. Okay, here. It says, I know these shapes, day 4. In Khmer, it says day 4. 91. Good. So this is day 4. So what you're supposed to do is this one. So section A, count and color the correct amounts. All right. Do that as camera. Okay. So we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. So 1, how many square do you color? Okay, we color only 1. Good job. What number is this? Good, it's number 2. Then how many square do we color? How many? Okay, 2, good. So let me change the color. Maybe I like this 1, okay. 1 and 1 more color. Okay, let me color 1 more. 2, good job. Is it correct? Yeah, that's correct. Okay, let's move on to the next page. It says color all the squares you see in picture below. In the picture below, actually. Yeah, in the picture below. I think erase this one, no problem. Okay, so we have square here, we have a square and square. What are more square? Oh, here I can see another square here. Here. Wow, more squares. Can you find all of that? Yeah, good job. Good. All right. So thank you for watching this guy. So this is the end of the videos, and yeah, thank you for watching. Wow, you are smart kids. You can learn more and practice more about shapes. Can you find more shapes at home, like a square at home, like your table or maybe your window, right? You have more square at home. Good. So bye-bye everyone. See you in the next videos for tomorrow.